Hey, just Antoine here with Blockchain Everything. We are super excited to come to you today and share some information about Web 3.0 or Web 3, some say. Truly, it's the next generation decentralized internet. Some people say Web 3.0, some people say Web 3, and they use it interchangeably. There is a slight difference, but it's just the next generation of the web. It what it does, it gives customers more control over their personal data, and it also provides privacy so that you can use your information, you can give it to the person that you would want to give it to, not just anybody who wants to buy your information, right? So it gives you the delivering process, it makes it more personalized and gives it an interactive experience to your information. So, if they tell you who they are and what they want your data for, and you agree to that, then you can have that conversation prior to just giving out your information. And so it's just a great movement towards more control, right? Because now they're selling our data and or data, however you pronounce it. They're selling it and getting profits off of our information, and so we don't want that, and we can profit off our own information. Numerous new features and improvements are present in this current generation of the web. The three most important ones are a user-friendly interface, improved security, and more privacy. So if you're really looking for more privacy, Web 3.0 is where to go. Um, it makes it just makes it easier to locate and distribute information. That's what Web 3.0 does. It makes it easier. When you compare the initial Web 1.0 and of the 1990s and the early 2000s, Web 2.0 and now Web 3.0 is the later incarnation of the web. So it has evolved, and now we're looking in the brinks of the new revelation, and it hasn't hit mainstream yet. And so that's what's exciting to me, because it hasn't hit mainstream. We have an opportunity to really get involved and actually monetize our knowledge of it before everybody else gets on board, right? And so um, it's still under development. We can actually pioneer in this space. Um, and I'm excited about it because I am pioneering in this space. One of the things I like about Web 3.0 is you can trust it more. Um, you can trust your information that you get because it's using blockchain technology, and everything is um, is transparent. So you can really know what's going on with your information. Artificial intelligence is also being used, and that with blockchain technology is really making it a dynamic place where we can do our business and learn information and just make life so much easier. It's just a smart way to live and to do business, Web 3.0. And so I'm excited about it. I'm going to talk about some of the primary features, and you can download this article. I wrote an article about it, Web 3.0, a beginner's guide, on mexitnews.com. So if you want to get the whole article, you can go there and get it, and I'll leave it in the details. All right. So number one is trust less. Users can interact openly and privately on the network without the fear of being put in danger by a third party. resulting in a trustless data. So you don't have to worry about your data being stolen on this platform. It's open, and it's open in the sense that it creates using open source software by a community of developers who were accessible to the public and work on it in plain sight. And so the open source technology, it means if you know anything about coding, you can go in the background and really look at what's going on, how this was created, where things are going in there. And so it's everything is open. There's no hidden secrets to it. And it's permissionless. That means that anyone can participate without the necessity of approval from a controlling entity, including users and providers. So they can't limit you because they think you are this way or that way. And so that gives you a great thing. All of us have access to the internet through Web.3 whenever we want and from wherever we are. At some point, unlike 2.0, internet connect to gadgets won't be limited to computers and smartphones. Technology will make it possible to create a wide range of new sorts of intelligent devices thanks to the Internet of Things. I'm really excited about the Internet of Things because it makes everything, the connectivity of everything, just very smooth, right? So if you want something to happen, if you want results, if you want this and that, you can put an Internet of Thing into the smart contract or into the process of you doing business, and you can get the information that you need using the Internet of Things. And so going hand in hand with the Web 3.0, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, we are going into a really space decade generation, I should say. I don't know what to call it. I think it's just the wave of the future, and it's going to continue to grow. Right now, as soon as you buy a technology, it's already old, right? And so it's that advanced, and it's advancing very fast. And so it behooves us to get on board as quick as possible. Here's some applications: non-fungible tokens, which is your NFTs. You're able to use cryptocurrency behind blockchain technology and lock in tokens. You're able to use NFTs to do just about anything of value. You can attach a NFT to it, and you can use that as the selling point or information. However, there's so many uses to NFTs. It's just unbelievable. I wrote a book on it and have a special class. Go ahead and just click the link in the description. Then you can also get that. We also see Web 3.0 in the distributed gaming, decentralized gaming, where people can play to earn crypto while playing games. And it helps build community. There's great things out there with that. The metaverse, oh my gosh, the metaverse it gives you an experience where you can actually feel like you're in the space, and you can learn things with hands-on from your living room, right? From your dining room, for wherever you have your headset on. And they're making headsets so they can be just like reading glasses, right? And you can just use your hands, and it's just evolving very quickly. But it is very exciting from my standpoint. So decentralized science is another way. that it can use, even though the epidemic is essentially over now, or the pandemic, right? Scientists and researchers were working around the clock to produce a vaccine for COVID-19 when it first emerged. Therefore, to store and categorize enormous volumes of data pertaining to the virus, DNA, genome sequencing, and other technical data, researchers use blockchain technology, right? And so that science now being available in decentralized platforms, it can help you distinguish between what's real and what's fake, what's where with the blockchain technology, you can look at the original source. Is this coming from the original source? Can I trust this source? And it's all open where you can see it. It's transparent. It's a transparent platform. So Web 3.0 is just the thing of the future. It's now here, and it's to our benefit that we learn more, the most we can about this. And so I just wanted to give you some things. I put a couple of links in uh, of references that I got some of my information from. And hey, I'm just Antoine, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.